morning, good morning. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm up this early, but this is gonna be my first episode of my vlog of what we go through day to day in entrepreneurship. I'm up right now at 4 o'clock getting ready because in the morning I have these routines, these rituals that I do that I have to do like first thing in the morning before I do anything else. I dedicate about 3 hours to myself, to as like personal development and just develop myself without any type of disruption. I just decided that I wanted to start vlogging now because people just glamorize entrepreneurship and being a business owner a lot too much, and they don't know the behind the scenes. They don't know like the blood, sweat, and tears that we really do put into like our businesses. But today is going to be pretty exciting because I'm actually helping my mom and a friend kind of start up their new business. I'm not in a sense of, Shantel, she kind of knows what she wants, and my mom's kind of just following along. And I really just want to do this because I just want my mom to have fulfillment and more purpose in her life because flowers is like her thing. So they're going to start their little business, and I'm just kind of on standby and just kind of taking along the road and see how like this business is going to start up, while also starting Joy is at the very beginning of its stages right now. I'm building out the garage, so I have a very long day ahead of us. And yeah, good morning. All right, I just arrived at the fucking flower market and I look like a damn tourist, but I'm waiting for Chantel to get here and then start scouting for scraps or whatever they're looking for. I'm kind of just following them around today. So, oh, there she is. Let me how do I turn this around. All right, let's see what they got. Wow, fresh flowers. This is the flower market in San Francisco. I don't know how to turn this around. Oh, those are so pretty over there. And it smells so nice here. Yeah, a lot of places are gone from the pandemic. Don't exist anymore. It's really sad. So we are back at the house, and I am remodeling my garage so that I have a home office to work out of when we do the stuff for Joy. And right now this is what it looks like. My ceiling with some lights, just random plugs. My friend came by to... We already cleaned out like a lot, and my mom is a florist, so she has a bunch of crap. The florists, they turn trash into treasure. I'll tell you that. This is only like a little bit of my inventory. The other stuff is at my salon. This is so dangerous. It's like plug to plug to plug to plug extension cords. Dealing with old Victorian homes is no joke. I almost blew up the house one time, but we'll save that for another day. All right,
And we are finally done. It's been a whole full day. Let's take a look. All right, let's see. How do I turn this around? I can't turn this camera around. And let there be light. Oh, wow. Nice. Now it's so brightly lit. And now I just have to fix the ceiling. But I'm so happy. We have light. We have light. We finally have light down here. And that's the end of today. It's been a very long day already. So, yeah. Otherwise, good night, and I'll see you guys in the next